In one of the biggest slash earliest silly season news things you'll probably ever hear, the thing going around now is Chase Sexton might be joining Red Bull KTM for factory racing for 2024. Obviously, this is almost 11 months before motocross off-season, free agency, whatever you want to call it, even starts. So we've still got Supercross and motocross to go through. But the question has to be asked in the comments below, what do you think? Will he do good on it? Would he do good on it? Or is it a bad career move for him? Whatever you want to say. Who knows if it's a Honda thing saying, well, we've got Jet Lawrence coming up, we've got Hunter Lawrence coming up, and we're going to try and get them, both of them on the team on the same bike. It's not like Chase Sexton is old. I mean, being the age he is, he's still just coming into his prime and still showing that he has tons of speed. So it's kind of a weird thing to think that Honda would just move off of him to have the Lawrence brothers. I don't know if it's a hype thing and they want to just sell jerseys and as much merch as they can, or who knows. This could be a complete and utter fabrication and lie, whatever you want to say. It is massively early for this to even consider this being a done deal, but you never know. This could come out tomorrow as, yeah, I did actually sign this contract, and after 2024 I'll be racing on KTM, or who knows. This also means who's leaving KTM. Is Cooper Webb gone? Is he retiring, or is he moving to a different bike? Is Plessinger not on a new deal and they're just moving on from him and they want, a younger, faster star? Who knows? The questions are a bunch at the moment, but it's one of those things that this is so far early that apparently it's quote unquote confirmed. If you look into this enough, that there are people saying that this is a done deal. This is a thing that has happened. So the question just has to ask: is it a good move for for Chase Sexton to move to a different brand than he's been on for his whole career? Is it good for KTM? Obviously, it would be good for KTM because he is a fast young star. It's just going to be one of those things that if it does happen, is it going to work out? Is moving from Honda, a Japanese bike, to an Austrian-based, KTM, going to work out with his style, his riding, whatever it is, his training, all that kind of stuff. But in the comments below, you tell me what you think. Will he do good on it? Do you think it's an actual deal, or this is just one of those rumors that's quote-unquote confirmed and then just falls away and everyone forgets that it was ever a thing? Or whatever it is you want to say in the comments below, make sure you leave the comment, leave your opinion, talk about something. Like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things because it really does help me out. And, obviously playing the YouTube game, algorithm is everything. With that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.